What's up, guys? I'd like to welcome you all back to the bunkers. Me, Moses, your host. I personally can't get enough of this target, so I came out today. So let's see, that's like a 50-yard area. I'm messing around. I didn't bring no 10 millimeters today, just 9 millimeters, but the 45 and the Glock 45 and the 43X. Gonna mess around. Yeah, see you in a bit. So that's how far the target is. It's a little 50-yard pistol range. I didn't put it all the way there. It's about 30 yards, I'd say. So there's the 43X, 45, and I brought some awesome ammo. I love this stuff. This right here is made by, it's Winchester, I believe. It's the 147 grain. This stuff hits hard, man. You'll see. I'll do a video. 147 grain. Kicks hard out of the 43X. It's really good ammo. Alright guys, see you in a bit. What's up guys? Welcome back. I'm gonna try shooting my Glock 45 a 9mm for you guys. And I did it so you guys can see the target. Let's see what happens. This is that spicy ammo, I'm telling you. Winchester's Valor box. It's spicy. So we're about 30 yards. That was nice, huh? Now, so that was a Glock 45. Let's put that away. We're gonna do it next with the Glock 43X. 30 yards. Man, this ammo, it's that 124 grain, super heavy hitting, man. It's the Valor ammo. I don't know if they load it a little hotter or not, but it fucking kicks. Well guys, let's go check it out. Let's unzoom this. Oh, sorry. So that's how far it is. Let's go. Man, it's getting beaten to the ground. I'm still trying to learn my grip, so I'm still hitting low left. Looks like, oh man, I hit the target so many times on the left side. Damn! Look at that, what that 9mm did to that leg. That's insane. So here's hits on this side, multiple hits. Multiple hits. Look at that, these are 9mm. This is a 10 from the other day. Looks like there was multiple head hits. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. Sorry, excuse my language. I'm gonna have to bend those back somehow. Alright guys, I'm gonna shoot a little bit more. Y'all take care, stay blessed, stay safe. Oh yeah. Just love that license plate, Glock perfection. All right, guys, I wanted you to see from here. This is the Glock 43X. We're taking a seated position. I loaded 10 rounds. I just wanted you guys to see. Let's see if woo! I hit it. Hit it again. Zoom in for you guys. Miss. Ooh, hit. Miss. Hit. 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 Miss. Hit. All right, guys. Well, welcome back to the bunker. It's me, Mos, your host. Here's 10 rounds in the Glock 45 9mm. Again, we're doing the same thing that the Glock 43. It's from a seated position. I only loaded 10 rounds. Hopefully I could hold it still. Sorry, guys. I'm not really great at this, but I'm trying. Let's see what happens. Hit. 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 They're all going through the center. Okay, guys, welcome back to Target, where I just missed a bunch after I hit it a bunch. I think they're all going through the center. Yeah. That's how good I am. Just joking. Oh, look. You see that behind it? A lot of them did go through the center. I wonder how this will do to the AK. Let's try it out. Man, this is nice. I'm so glad I got this, but kind of disappointed with the leg system being weak. Look how weak that looks. Mingled. Alright, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for coming to the bush bunker, the bush bunker to watch my videos. Y'all stay safe. You know, keep your everyday carry with you every day. There's no point in buying a gun if you're not going to hold it. Alright, see you guys.